Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I want to talk about a fantastic feature of Amazfit watches, and in this case, I'm talking about Amazfit Active 2. Now, one of the best features of Amazfit ecosystem is the watch faces. I was pleasantly surprised by the number and quality of watch faces available on the Zepp app for these watches. Now, I've made a lot of videos about these watches, and a lot of you have been asking about the watch faces that I use on this watch. So in this video, I intend to answer those questions. I'll be sharing some of my favorite watch faces later in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. Now, the first watch face that I want to talk about is called High Spirit. So if you long press on a watch face, you can see the name of the watch face. So this one is called High Spirits. And the reason why I really like this watch face is because of the time that is shown in big blocky numbers, which is something I always like. It is very simple with the time, the weather at the top, you have the date, battery percentage, steps, and heart rate. So all the basics are covered. And another reason why I really like this watch face is it's always on display. So if you long press on it, it shows you the time very clearly in big, large numbers. Next watch face that I want to talk about is called Functionality. And again, it is a beautiful watch face, different from others because it has a white theme, and then you can see the time. There is step count right here. There is beats per minute, calories burned. You have your calendar right here. And then if you have any alarms, you can access them from here. It tells you the sunrise, sunset time. And then there is battery percentage at the top. And when always on display turns on, you can see that it tells you time beautifully in the always on display version, which is really cool. I really like the always on display of this watch face as well. Now, another thing that I really like about these watch faces is that their elements are interactive. So if you tap on them, they will take you to the related app. So if I tap here, this takes me to the heart rate. If I tap here, this will take me to the alarms. So it allows you access to these different watch functions very quickly through the watch face. This is another watch face that I really like. It's called Elaborate. It's very different. The elements are very differently designed. So if we have the digital time right here, then we have the weather right here, sunrise time at the top. Then we have the date dial, and this one is the seconds dial. You have the battery percentage, heart rate, and steps right here. Now, if you turn on the always on display version, everything else goes away and you are just left with the time here. This watch face looks really cool and really different from all the other watch faces that I have on this watch. This is another watch face that is high on my list, and it is called Sometimes, but it is also a very different watch face. So here you see time in terms of these dots. So these white dots indicate hours and these yellow dots indicate minutes. So each bigger dot is 5 minutes and smaller dot is 1 minute. So right now it's 12:11 a.m. But anyways, digital time is available right here. Another thing that I really like about this watch face is if you long press on it, you can actually customize it. And here you can change the color. So you can go red, and then you can change these complications as well. So right now this one is showing month, this one is showing steps, and this one is showing heart rate. So you can go in here and you can change these complications as well. And now I want to talk about my most favorite watch face. This watch face is called Superstructure. I really like this watch face. It's really high quality, it's really sharp, high definition watch face, and gives you ton of information on here. So you have the time right here, then you have the date, you have sunset shortcut. At the top you will see these buttons. Now these indicate actually what's going on your watch. If you have an alarm set, this will turn on. If you have the screen locked, this will turn on. If you have the sleep mode turn on, this will turn on as well. And it tells you what's happening. There is weather, day of the week right here. You have your steps, distance, heart rate, and calories. The always on display version of this watch face is also great. Shows you the analogous time as well as the digital time. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were some of my favorite watch faces on Amazfit Active 2. And by the way, these are all free, so you can go ahead and download them. I'll also try to put the links in the description. I have to make sure that I can get these links. If I'm not able to get the links, I'll just put the names of these watch faces, which you can search in the Zepp app. Now, beyond free watch faces, there are some amazing paid options on the Zepp app as well. So if you want to support the developers for this platform, go ahead and purchase a couple of watch faces as well and enjoy them. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.